functions and arguments. In the previous video, we've learned how to debug the script. Like any other scripting languages, Bash also supports functions. In this video, we're going to see how to define and use functions. We can create functions to perform tasks, and we can also create functions that take parameters, also called arguments, as you can see on the screen. A function can be defined as a function can be invoked just by using its name. Arguments can be passed to functions and can be accessed by our script. This is the definition of the function fname. In the fname function, we have included various ways of accessing the function arguments. Similarly, arguments can be passed to scripts and can be accessed by script:0, the name of the script. $1 is the first argument. $2 is the second argument. $n is the nth argument. Quote $and expands as $1, $2, $3, and so on. $* expands as $1, C, $2, C, $3, where C is the first character of IFS. $@ is used more than $*, since the former provides all arguments as a single string. Let's explore through more tips on Bash functions. The recursive function. Functions in Bash also support recursion, the function that can call itself. For example, f open close bracket, curly braces, echo $1, semicolon f hello, semicolon sleep 1, semicolon, close curly bracket. We can write a recursive function which is basically a function that calls itself. Colon, open close brackets, curly braces, colon, pipe, colon, ampersand, curly braces, semicolon, colon. It infinitely spawns processes and ends up in a denial of service attack. Ampersand is postfixed with the function call to bring the sub-process into the background. This is a dangerous code as it forks processes and therefore is called a fork bomb. You may find it difficult to interpret the preceding code. See the Wikipedia page http://en.wikipedia.org/wiki/fork_bomb for more details and interpretation of the fork bomb. It can be prevented by restricting the maximum number of processes that can be spawned from a config file at /etc/security/limits.conf. Exporting functions. A function can be exported, like environment variables, using export, such that the scope of the function can be extended to subprocesses as reading the return value, status of a command. We can get the return value of a command or function in this way. This will give the return value of the command cmd. The return value is called exit status and can be used to analyze whether a command completed its execution successfully or unsuccessfully. If the command exits successfully, the exit status will be 0. Otherwise, it will be a non-zero value. We can check whether a command terminated successfully or not by using this script. Passing arguments to commands. Arguments to commands can be passed in different formats. Suppose -p and -v are the options available, and -K is another option that takes a number. Also, the command takes a file name as argument. It can be executed in multiple ways as Awesome! We've successfully learned about functions and arguments. In the next video, we will learn how to read the output of a sequence of commands.